Guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So my favorite photo editing app on the iPhone received a cool update. So if you don't know what my favorite editing app is, it is Darkroom. So I use Darkroom all the time to edit my photos when before I upload them to Instagram, of course, or to my portfolio. But today it received a cool update, and that update now is that it supports video editing as well. So what I mean by video editing, of course, so let's open Darkroom first. So I'm going to choose one of my random TikTok videos. So I'll choose this one. And now, of course, like I said, it supports video editing, so you can add filters to it now. So it now supports filters, so you can add any filters that you want to make it really nice and cool. Or you can add cinematic filters, which these are new filters just for the video supported feature here. So you can add some cool cinematic filters, and then you can play around with them here. So you can add a brightness, have it. You could play around with it. So I like it like that. I'm just gonna play around with this one, and there we go. So it's pretty simple, easy to use, and yeah, it's just really fantastic that Darkroom finally is doing this. That is supporting video editing, which I never knew I really wanted until now. So yeah, it's just really fantastic and super easy to after that you want to share it with. So let's say I want to save a copy, and there we go, it's exporting, and that's pretty much it. It's that simple if you want to just edit a quick video, of course. Now this is for casual and for pro users. So the casual version, of course, is like this, like I just showed you, easy to use, simple. And of course, like my new video that I just recorded earlier today, which will be out hopefully tomorrow. This one I'm gonna color grade it only using Darkroom, and then of course edit it in Premiere, and then after that just upload it to YouTube, and hopefully it'll be up tomorrow. So this video will just be exclusively color graded on Darkroom, so I can't wait to see the end results to it. And stay tuned if you want to see the video course of me talking about whatever I'm talking about. And yeah, it's just really fantastic that Darkroom is now supporting video. And their blog post is that there's more features coming soon in their video editing stuff, that they're gonna add more video features to Darkroom, of course, because a lot of people really want that. And Darkroom is just a fantastic photo editing, now video editing app to edit your photos and now your videos as well. So I can't wait to play around with this, and I'm gonna be color grading it. And they talk about so much more stuff in detail in their blog post. And yeah, I'm just really excited about this, that they now support video, because I'm gonna have lots of fun editing some of my TikTok videos now on Darkroom, of course, and of course also just regular YouTube videos that I upload. I'm gonna be doing some color grading now only on the iPhone and see how it comes out, and the quality is just really good as well, because it supports the formats I gotta remember, of course, H.264 high. Of course, you could change that, of course, right here as well. So yeah, it's just really awesome, and stay tuned for this video as well. And tell me what you guys think about this new feature, if you guys are gonna go download it or not. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.